Nick Smith, JB&A here. I want to introduce you to something new and really interesting. It's called lamamix, and I've got Ewan Cameron from the company here to tell us all about it. Ewan, show me what we're doing here.
Great stuff. So great to be here with JB&A. Great to be part of the JB&A family. Today I'm going to show you what we're doing here with our next generation audio production software. So here we are, we're showing two solutions here today. First of all, we have our Lama Connect software patch bay, which is a software audio patch bay and converter. And this is great because it can convert anything to anything when it comes to audio. So it could be ASIO drivers, it could be Dante, it could be NDI, anything can be converted with Lama Connect. And Lama Connect is connected to, every pun intended, to our lamamix software. And lamamix is a broadcast software mixer that runs purely as software. It can run on location, it can run on a private cloud, or it can run in the cloud. And here we've actually got it running on an AWS instance from Oregon all the way into Las Vegas. So this is really super cool because here we're actually using a controller to control an AWS instance of our mixer running in Oregon. And as you can see, the latency is incredibly low. And this gives you the ability to do remote mixing from any location.
So ideally, what kind of problems are you guys solving, or what kind of customers are using the product?
So we're looking at broadcast, we're looking at Pro AV, we're looking at streaming. Specifically here in this setup, we're really looking at house of worship type stuff as well, because a lot of the times in the house of worship, you've got a front of house mixer, right, but then what do you do with the web stream?
Yeah, they use the wrong mix.
They take the mix from the front of house, which sounds not as good and optimal as it should be, and this gives you the ability to create a really good customized mix.
All right, Ewan, from a mix perspective and a round perspective, what's the channel count? How does it operate?
Yeah, the great thing about software is you can configure it to however you need. So it's from 16 channels all the way up to 150, 200 plus, depending upon your CPU that you're running it on.
And that works for both the router and the mixer?
Yeah, I mean, the actual router itself is so light when it comes to CPU. But with the router, it also, with the mixer, it depends on obviously how many channels you're actually running and how much processing you got on those channels.
Now, you mentioned early on all the different formats that can come into Connect, right?
Yeah.
NDI, Dante, the flavor. Talk to me about the NDI implementation for customers that are heavy into the NDI workflow.
Yeah, so NDI audio is not really yet a thing, and we're trying to help NDI to make that a real thing. So our implementation of NDI in Connect is quite special because NDI audio was limited to 16 channels, and to be fair, there were some issues with the stability of the timing for those channels. So the way that we've now implemented it, it's gone from 16 channels all the way up to 256 channels, and it's rock solid timing.
And that's embedded on a single stream?
One stream, 256 channels. And the great thing is you can even have multiple streams as well.
That's crazy. So unlimited NDI capability in a mixer that can run on-premise or in the cloud.
Absolutely.
And handle the secondary mixes, the primary mixes, whatever.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, listen, we're really excited about this product. So the audience gets a chance to check this out. Where do they find you? Where do they find the product?
lamamix.com.
Mix.com. All right. If you're interested in lamamix, if you're interested in this solution, hit up lamamix.com or contact your JB&A rep for more information, and we'll get more out to you soon.